Hello, thanks for coming. Here we have a picture of a duck in mid-flight. Actually, it's coming in for a landing. And I remember where I was. It was near Unionville, Ontario. And actually, I entered this picture in a competition with Global News, and in fact, it did well. Not that you really won anything. All that happened is they came to the area and did their news broadcast live. They did. And they talked about a farm in the area that had recently been sold for, I think, $100 million. And of course, now there are, I don't know how many houses where there was. When I first moved here, there was cows there. That was just not far from here. Now there's all kinds of stuff. I don't know how big the land area was, but I would bet there's three, four, 500 houses in there now. And I suspect, yes, they did well, but I suspect the builder and the developers and everyone else did just dandy. Anyway, so as I did enter this, but I was down by the river, down by Two Good Pond, and I heard this noise behind me. I hadn't had time to really think about this. I just turned and I said, "Oh, a duck." And I fired. And there it is, coming in for a landing. Anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. Keep shooting. Keep practicing. Never give up. And train your eye. Bye for now.